You okay? Come here. Yeah, it is. It's pretty loud. Storms like these can be a little bit scary, but come on, baby, I'm right here. You don't have to worry, okay, baby? You're so cute. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Come here. Yeah, I'll just go closer to my chest. There you go. How about you just listen to me instead of the storm, right? Focus on my breathing. Just slow, deep, just like this. You're safe with me, okay? Nothing is going to happen. The storm's going to pass just like all the other storms. You're so tense, sweetheart. Try to relax, okay? Easier said than done, huh? I get it. But how about this? Let me help. I'm just gonna touch your back with my fingers, trailing along. No, I don't. This always makes you feel, like more safer. But do you want to talk about something? Maybe like as a distraction, or would you rather just lay here and let me hold you? Hmm? No matter what, I've got you. Always. You know, storms like this always reminds me of when I was a kid. I used to get scared, but my mom would always tell me stories to help me fall asleep. Maybe you also need some stories to fall asleep. She said that the thunder was just the sky playing the drums, and the rain was like nature's way of singing a lullaby. She always says that, but what me and my friend said is it's two boxers punching each other, and whenever there's like a huge thunder, it's like, oh, he punched him. I don't know. It's very childish, but I used to imagine like just two gods, like hustling over there on the top of the skies or something. What about you? Do you have any little things like that? Something from when you were younger that made things feel less scary. Hmm. I see. Well, I think mine is cooler though. You know, I never really thought that you're a scaredy cat. No, it's not like it's a bad thing. I kind of quite like it, especially with those like horror movies. You know why? It's because you always run back to me, and I'm there to comfort you. It makes me feel better. What I was saying is, like, I just never knew you were the type of person to get scared of like storms, because you are such a very independent girl. You're my independent girl. Am I cringy? I don't. I feel. What would happen then if we got a kid? Like, do you think our kid's gonna be scared of the storm too? Hmm? I feel like that's still ways away, kind of. But do you know what I really look forward to? Hmm? I kind of look forward to our future. I'm not gonna lie, but just like imagine this, our future, like a place, our own place, not just an apartment. Like we have our own house, and then we have like a backyard, pretty wide. It doesn't have to be super humongous, but it's just like a place that we don't have to worry about anything. Just you and me, wrapped up in like cozy nights like these, except maybe instead of listening to Storm, we're watching the stars outside of our window. It's kind of romantic, hey? I think about it all the time. Like, just the little moments. But even if we still have our moments right now, but it's just those little things, For example, waking up next to you, making breakfast together, arguing over the most dumb shit that we would ever argue about. Like, I don't know, who left the cap off a toothpaste? Like, I don't know, what else are the stupid shit? Oh yeah, the toilet seat. Oh my god. But even if we're going to like complain about all those small things, it still sounds so perfect. Because it means like I just get to live with you. Just you. I just can't wait for the future. After we finished everything that we're like planning to do, definitely travel the world. Then after everything that we're going to do, we're just going to like get kids, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. But right now I am not ready for kids. Do you really think we would be responsible? Like we would after work I'm literally just dead. I don't know how my parents like got a kid like what, younger than us. It's crazy. God damn. If the economic wasn't so shitty. I mean economy. Economy. No matter what comes, no matter what storms that we have to go through, no matter how many shit gets thrown at us, we'll get there. I just can't wait till we just, have our future together. But for that, just to let you know, you're very incredible. I'm just very thankful about you. I don't care if you have any doubts or if you have any worries sneaking into your mind. You're a strong person. I know you don't like hearing these stuff, but, I have to tell you. You don't have to be perfect, okay? I don't think we have everything figured out from the scratch or anything like that, but just being you is enough for me. It is literally more than enough for me. Just remember, you're not alone. I'm here. Always. I'm always here for you. Through every storm, every quiet moment, every laugh, every tear. You and me, sweetheart. I love you. And I hope you never forget how much you're worth. Oh, do you hear that? The storm's finally quieting down. I mean, it's still pretty loud, but it's becoming more relaxed, I guess. See, just like I told you, it always passes, baby. Mm-hmm. Here. You ready to sleep? You ready to go to bed? You want to stay like this for a bit? Okay, let's cuddle just for a bit and then we'll go to bed, okay? Just close your eyes, sweetheart. Just relax. Just feel my arms around you. Just feel how safe you are. And I love you. And I always got you. You have a good night, baby.